I hope you have a great day and some time to learn about new opportunities for business. Hi, my name is Alina and I am CEO of Touch Platform, which is based in Tbilisi, Georgia. Previously, we took some break to prepare a new series of webinars for our community where we will explore different tools and services that make the work of different representatives of business easier and much more productive. In this series, we will cover different aspects of growth, sales, finances and accounting, team management and so on. We invite you to follow our announcements on the Facebook and LinkedIn page of Touch Platform. So, what about today? We are opening the series with the webinar about the online presence of the business, and I am happy to welcome the founder of Getpin, Vladimir Leshchenko.
Hi everyone, do you see me?
Joining us in just a second. Here we go. Hello Vladimir, how are you?
Hi Alina, hi everyone, for having me. Touch community and share with you our experience before on with digital marketing and especially with local marketing, with offline, online
Awesome, thanks for
to
joining us, Vlad.
offline.
So, can you please tell us more about your background and field of expertise?
Okay, of course, I have been working for small medium business for trying to find a solution that helps them to acquire customers online for not a large amount of funds. So my first job was connected with contextual advertisement solution. In it was I think almost 13 years in 13 years in 2006 or number one top portals like or Yahoo, but in you had our own search engine based on Yandex search results. We couldn't sell advertising solution by our own. So we sell contextual advertisements based on the keywords and that time. After I was head of the first authorized Google AdWords seller in Central Eastern Europe, business and tech. And after that, it was the first time I could build my first product based on a Google AdWords API and product we are doing right now. But the whole time I was trying to find solution and managing small medium business. So right now we based on our decided to go location marketing niche and trying to combine free products and paid product with Google to deliver our customers business. And at this time it's small medium and large enterprises, and we try to deliver much more value by combining different platforms, online platforms to help acquire and find offline customers.
I see, thank you for this small introduction. So, what kind of problem did you see in the industry that made you create a Getpin solution?
Back to our solution, we are trying to online touch points have to manage simultaneously. It's a lot of channels, a lot of business interaction with different user interfaces, and this can be a bit to manage all of them at once, and especially for large enterprises who have a big amount of locations, like assume big bank chains or petrol stations. They have hundreds of locations, sometimes thousands, but they have to manage them on at least from 10 to 20 different kinds of them on 10 to different kinds of like maps, social media, different social system, application, and this is for business. We are trying to solve the main problems, and there is no time, no expertise to manage this touch points and cause a small amount of marketing. Again, deliver the best solution.
I see. Let's get back to the basic definitions in order for our audience to be on the same stream with us. So, you have mentioned various online presence, representations. Can you please define what is the online presence, like go step by step, or describe basically all these features, services, platforms, what it is?
Hey guys, presented online. Why I can't find? Say no online. We are not doing activities. We are doing only offline, buying our services and products. I say, but the deal is that before for you, people right now are using their smartphones for majority of cases. What is your address to find and just or to build to ask some additional questions? So this is like our normal activity. Find a business is not presented online. Basically, we can't find them our smartphones. Search. We are using search engine, or we are trying to find the point in our Uber or application, so we want to reach, and this is the main problem. So go a big on the second, we have to manage our business information line. Presence is name of the business, address of the business. The second level is a business category, description, working photos, any help us new customers. So all this information is very important for because by this for which are searched every day. Almost half of all search queries have local intent. So people are looking companies looking something around them. So we have a phone. We are sharing and find company around platforms are trying to give us the best answers. The best answers are companies to by being found by being of such a result page. I would say
I see. Wow, that's very vast definition actually. And you have mentioned that it basically works for any types of the business. So what do you usually meet while working with business? What kinds of customers are already coming to you who have already realized they really need the solution like Getpin? And on the contrary, what are the people, what are the types of companies that really need that, but they don't really get that they need this?
physical office, store, anywhere, even a terminal where we can come there, touch, communicate with. So this is basically
Mm-hmm. Okay, I see. Maybe this is the time to show how it actually looks like using Getpin and managing all this stuff in one place. Can you please share with us the demo? Not yet, it's loading. Yeah, I think it's almost there. Just give me a sec. Yeah. Wow. Too many of me.
so let me based on a bakery which is located in a city center of Kiev. So yeah, we company, and this is how it looks like. It's the bakery which is doing. Maybe I can just translate for you. Yeah. pin on they have for basic. Kind of platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Google Maps, city sites, Foursquare, Catalog, Syria. We have a long list of business information, as I mentioned before. So again, but state on every same address, the same telephone number, and this helps to be present. What business
And we should be getting back.
inform me. And what is right now? Are we online?
Yes.
Online, but
Yes. Yes.
we are streaming. And I continue.
Yes, please.
And at what point we have we stopped? I don't remember, but okay. So let's back. Leader being there is that there is experience almost they were part category. They're searching for some search customers can see it, can communicate with, can through phone calls and direction, or if it's located, they can just strictly go to this location. So this is actually the city where located have been asked phone calls, also phone reviews, product quantity, and all other information. What else we can offer for business? This is one interesting thing that our solution helps to publish posts on different platforms from one place. So you can create and post news, some offers or events, and also post them on Facebook, and very soon it also be connected with Facebook. And this also for business opportunity to publish with a very little amount or a very little amount of money, publish information about their services, about their products, and this product like a keyword, so you just like explain what you are doing in more detail. And search engine is thinking and trying to pick these keywords and using them for understanding is this business relevant for search queries or not. And this is totally free for you, and you can communicate with the customers by sending photos of your product, by offering some discounts, maybe give some news that you will have parties or Independence Day, something like that. So every new activity you can publish on one platform. This also helps. And also, what this could help is to manage reputation again from different kinds of platforms in one place. So here is all reviews are coming from Google My Business and Facebook, and you can respond to them. You can ask additional questions. You can again by answering to your review, you are showing that your business is alive, that every client is important for you, and by adding you to going up in search results, and your business can also what we have is one page for business who doesn't have a website, also messengers. This business doesn't have messengers for the moment. So if you connect Facebook, Instagram, and Google My Business, people is asking something for you, and you will see actually the result, the inquiries and respond directly from this platform. Yeah, and also what's important is a price list. So you services with pricing list, or just define a products or service to your customers. This is the main description of service. And the result, it helps you to be found and to be connected with your potential and existing customers.
I see. Yes. Thank you a lot for the demonstration of the opportunities and possibilities of your solution. I'm sure that our viewers will find it interesting to their business, because it really makes life easier, way more easier, especially for the newly opened businesses, or for those who have chains, or who would like to really pay attention to their stores or shops or showrooms or some branches of banks or pharmacies from the whole local territory. And you know, this also works in a good way for the customers, of course, because I can imagine myself, not just imagine, well, actually that's a huge experience and not the best one. When I was traveling, yeah, when there were a time when we were all traveling yet. So when I was traveling to different countries and different cities, I was new there, I didn't know where to go, how to find something, etc. And of course, where I was going on the first place, I was going to Google Map. I was searching for cafe nearby, coffee nearby, breakfast nearby, open at this time, etc. And I could barely find anything on the map. And then what? I was just going through the streets and I was seeing a lot of amazing cafes. But it was not on time. They were not there for me when I really need them. And so this was actually the question to me: how can these businesses actually find me, their customer, and attract me to their particular coffee shop or to their particular store, etc. And also the question of opening hours. Well, it's a total mess when you really need to figure out if, I don't know, copy center, if some copy center in some particular area of the city is still working when it's already, I don't know, 9 p.m. in the evening, right? And you need to print out something really urgently and you need to find the nearest open printing house or copy center. And guess what? They all have different working hours and you have no idea if they are working.
Real. With this goal, we Facebook, they can connect to the service, and by set up the location and set up all the information about the business, and we will about the business. Use Google Maps, but it's using search engine and just put in aware that all this Google okay with the user experience they have doesn't understand how it works from their consider actually how people is Chinese food, something like that. So with this reason, we are it's like you can't understand what you put on that to this. So in this case, it helps you to control it and to manage it. So just pick up the right, for example, uh, you have to publish. Also good for you. You have to bother about the reviews because customers and on a score you have. So less than 4 is not very than 4 for.
Yeah, that's absolutely true. And same for the branches, especially pharmacies, as it's very crucial to know if they are open in your vicinity, in your area or not. Okay, that looks nice in terms of business, in terms of attracting customers, but also there are some questions that are arising from different business owners with regards to the security. So you basically make them open the access to their Google My Business account, to their social media accounts,
Right.
etc. How do you secure the data, the access, etc.?
Just for you understand that we are not getting a password, your password or a verify business on behalf of Google Maps without any additional calls or Our platform, we manage about 20 and national companies in Ukraine, small business in different kinds in different countries like Russia, Kazakhstan, something like that. So this global this actually the same, like, let's say, public data. The same reviews you can go to Google Maps, on Instagram. You then use, for example, information. No, you don't need to have data about your age, level, something like that. So this information lies on a in a public. So there is no privacy about this information, and we are not storing. You can delete our every time you want.
I see. All right. I think we got everything we wanted to know. And Vlad, can you just give any recommendation on digital marketing to Georgian business, perhaps?
Interact in terms of data. It's very Ukraine situation regarding stand up and go and fight for every your customers, and your build is online. So you have to struggle for online for describing your service, put in front service your product service, and you should use your customers, and then just them to get the best experience you can offer, customer experience
for increasing sales in the end. Excellent.
Yeah.
Thank you a lot for your time and for joining us. Yes, we always stay connected, so if our viewers have any question, please don't hesitate to reach out to us too. Well, I think it was a great live today, notwithstanding some technical aspects, but this is a new project for us and we are testing this out, and I hope we will fine-tune it very soon and make it perfect. To sum up, we should always care about what people think about our brands and our online presence, because a good reputation and reviews, as well as the correct map location, drives 3 times more customers to our store or branch. And next Tuesday evening, we will have other guests speaking about another aspect of doing good business: finances and accounting automation. Follow our announcements on Facebook and LinkedIn page of Touch Platform. Thank you and have a great evening.